Welcome guys, good evening. My name is Rohits. You're watching Crypto Phoenix. So let's get started. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna make in complete English because we have a lot of international members on our Telegram channel. I'll release the Hindi and Bengali versions in the coming days so that we can teach this to as many people as we can. So alright, let's not waste any time and let's get on with the video. Right, before understanding how to take entry, you must know how to read the charts and what are those terminologies that we get to see in everyday life from big telegram channels, right? Like how you can read them and what are its uses. I'll explain it thoroughly and shortly about it. But for now, let's brief off of what we are about to learn today. For reading the charts, first you must know about the candles, right? Like what are they and how to guess what will be the next candle move. All right. Then comes here the MA. MA means the moving average. Then EMA is the exponential moving average. Vol is the volume. MACD is the moving average, convergence and divergence. We won't be discussing about this as it doesn't involve intraday trading and usually used for tracking movements of Bitcoin and other big caps like Cardano, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, etc. All right, we won't be covering MACD in this video. Right, RSI is the relative strength index, and Ball is the Bollinger line. This is the most important thing, guys. Bollinger is the most important thing. Without this, we cannot understand what is the support or what is the resistance of a particular coin, right? We will discuss about this in details. So let's get started with the video. All right, let's get started. First thing is the candles. Okay, the green ones actually start from the bottom and ends on the top, and the red ones they start from the top and close in the bottom. So this is like, suppose this is a green candle. Green candle will always starts like this, and red candle will always come down like this. Okay, so and these are very important things. Green candles, red candles. There's a profit and loss of a trade. Suppose you have three green candles. We can expect an upward movement. Suppose there are three consecutive this red move, we'll think like this will go down now. Okay, this will be a downward movement. What if it is a uh, suppose it is let me just clear these things out. The eraser. Suppose it is red lines followed by one big green line, then again small reds, then it usually comes down. Okay, it usually happens when some suddenly one big pop in comes in. Now the rates are going down, suddenly some big bull or whale jumps in, grabs the liquidates for the shorts and goes away. This we recently saw when Bitcoin for a moment reached $48,000. Okay, so this is a candles. I think most of them already know. Candlestick is a type of price chart used in technical analysis that displays the high, low, open, and closing prices of a security for a specific period. Okay. Next, we come to MA and EMA. MA stands for moving average, and EMA stands for exponential moving average. So, what are these things? Right, the exponential moving average is a technical chart. Okay, and it indicates that it tracks the price of an investment over time. The EMA is a type of weighted moving average that gives more weighting or importance to recent price data. So basically what you see is EMA, and here you have this small charts. This EMA 5 means it's based on 5 weeks, EMA 10 based on 10 weeks, 20 weeks. So these are the lines, you see, these are the small lines. And if it moves, if the candlesticks are above these lines, candles are above these lines, then you have a bullish momentum. If it's below like this, see, if it's below like this, then we have a bear mode on. So this is a very important aspect, and I've made this on 1 minute chart, so it is nothing. Like normally we use a 4 hour chart or 1 day chart to measure all these stuffs. All right. Uh, so let's head on to what's EMA. The MA, or the moving average, is a simple technical analysis tool that smooths out price data by creating constantly updated average price. The average price is taken over a period of time, say 7 days, 15 minutes, 4 weeks, like a month, or any time, any period of time the trader chooses. There are advantages to using a moving average in your trading as well as options on what type of moving average to use. Moving average strategies are also popular and can be tailored to any time frame, suiting long-term investors and even short-term traders. In easy language, it's the average price movement of a crypto over the duration of a particular time. So we'll be asking like, why should we use this moving average, right? What is the purpose of this? What is the purpose of this, right? So moving average helps cut down the small amount of noise or the amount of noise on a particular chart. Look at the direction of the moving average to get a basic idea of which way the price is moving. If it is angled up, the price is moving up. If it is angled down, the price is moving down. If it is going sideways, the price is going sideways. Few days back, we were hit by this BTC death cross, Bitcoin death cross. Most of you guys might remember that. And the market was moving entirely downtrend. So that is very important. And people actually, when big traders, they check this MA, moving average, to understand the movement of the market, and it's very important. It is not for intraday traders like most of us, who whose usual goal is like um, hop on to any of this, like take any trade for a particular time frame and sell it as quickly as you can. This is not for us. It's for the people who are thinking for a long time investment, like people who invest in bitcoins, ethereum, or any big caps, for which they invest and we trade. It's for them. Okay. So coming on to next, we have volume. See, volume is very important. Volume or trading volume is the number of units traded in a market in a given amount of time. It's like, suppose I buy 10 bitcoins. I bought 10 BTC and I sold 8 BTC. 8 BTC. So the amount of trading volume is 18 BTC. This is the volume. And volume is really very much essential. Like a coin won't earn that much of money unless the trading volume is huge. See, the trading volume of Bitcoin, which I have mentioned here, is like 26 billion 787 million 654,000, right? That's the trading volume. Amount of Bitcoin is traded on USDT pair. Bitcoin and USDT pair. That's huge. So this gives the market the price. Okay, price of a coin depends heavily on this. Now next we come to ball. See, Bollinger Bands are the most useful traits, most useful, what you can say, the price pattern or the derivatives configuration, whatever you can say, most useful indicator for intraday traders. See, Bollinger Bands are a type of chart indicator for technical analysis and have become widely used by traders in many markets, including stocks, futures, currencies. It was created by John Bollinger in the 1980s, and the bands offer unique insights and volatility. So, what is it like? Let me explain to you this properly. See the yellow line here, yellow line. This yellow line acts as the resistance. This purple line, this acts as support, and this is the midline. Midline, okay. So a coin usually trends between these lines. It will never go up or never live down. It will always try to, you know, be in this line. So to understand if the coin is going up or down, we have to follow this. Say this coin might go up from here because it's trending in the upper band, and there's a lower band. Okay, so if it comes down, see this one. It was trading in the lower band, so it came down, down, down. Then it took up. It was in the down. Then it took up, and since then it is here, and it has not touched the bottom. So this is a very important thing, and we while selecting a coin for future trading, I myself use this extensively because this actually gives me the idea if I should enter into this trade or I should just leave out. But even if I enter, what I should do, I'll just long it or just short it. So vol is very much important. I'll explain it to you and more briefly in the coming slides, like how you will use this Bollinger indicator to enter into a particular trade. Okay. So let's come up to the next indicator. It's RSI, Relative Strength Index. So RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index. It's a key tool used in technical analysis, assessing the momentum of assets to gauge whether they are in overbought or in oversold territory. So basically, this is what do you want to say? This is the formula to understand, but we will not get into so much technicalities as we go beyond our heads. So let's make it simple. See this one. If the RSI is above 70, if the RSI is above 70, then it is in the overbought territory. Okay, means people have purchased a lot. People have purchased it a lot. If it is below 40, then people have sold it a lot. So basically you can see in this, there is in the all these lines are below 40. So the selling pressure is huge. To understand if a market is in selling mode or the bears are in control or the bulls are in control, we use this RSI. It's a very important aspect to understand a trade. And without RSI, proper knowledge of RSI, it's not advised to get inside a trade, especially when the market is extremely volatile. So what I said is like if it is 70, it is overbought. If it is 40, it is oversold. That's it. Okay, that's what you need to know. Now to the main thing. The main reason I'm making this video, how you will take the perfect entry. Okay. See, all coins follow the pattern of Bitcoin. The Bitcoin falls, the alts fall. The Bitcoin rises, the alt rises. If Bitcoin remains stable, alts follow the same pattern. Everything. Okay, the first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin. So after that, every single cryptos that were made was based on Bitcoin. Be it shitcoin or meme coin, altcoin, DeFi, NFTs, big cap, small cap, mid cap, low caps, everything. Everything depends upon the price of Bitcoin. Okay, nothing can go sideways. So basically, what you need to do is like follow Bitcoin. So Bitcoin always trends between the 500s mark. Okay, so like suppose I draw a line here. Okay, and say this is 38 and this is 38.5. First and foremost, a coin will always trend in the 500 marks. It'll try to go here and it'll try to come here. Okay, and if the coin, if the coin finds like okay, they can hold on to this mark. If it has tested enough resistance, then they will move to another line. Suppose to 39. will only move to 39 only after testing this 38.5 resistance. Okay, and then again they will start again like this, go up, come down. If they break the resistance, they will come again to this. If it breaks this, then they will come to 37 range. Okay, if they break this resistance, then they will go to 40 range. Break this support, they will go to 37 range. So always Bitcoin follows this range, and the alts follows this same. Okay, when Bitcoin is going up, the alts will go up. So when you take entries, like when you have this, suppose it's 38,000 to 38,100. If the coin, if the Bitcoin is trading in that way, 38,000, 38,100, and you think like it might go up, or if it is in 38,500 to 38,600, you might think it will go up. Then you do long. Okay, you entered in long. Suppose you're in a bear mode and the RSI shows it's oversold. So what do? You just take entry in the 39 or in 38.5 range, and you put say, short it. That's how we so buy, and that's how we sell. Always consider two things. See the Bitcoin price, see the RSI, then enter the trade. Then another step we have is like follow 1 minute and 15-minute charts. This is the most important thing, and for this we need the Bollinger line. Okay, we need Bollinger for this. Bollinger divide the charts into three lines: support, like support, the lower thing is support, then mid band, and then resistance. Okay, first you look at the BTC movement and then come to 1 minute chart. Okay, this is the, suppose this is a 1 minute chart, and you just see like where is it, where it is. Suppose in this chart it has come up, and it is in the, it is ranging in this upper circuit, so it has high chance of going up from here. And you can see this also chart is indicating an upward movement, so this will go up. So what we do here, we enter in long. So, and this in the, and then we take a short trip, like to determine like what I'll say. Suppose you think no, it can be wrong, I can be wrong. Let's see the previous historic data. What it says. Can it go up from here or can it go down from here? So we enter this 15-minute chart, and what we do is like historic movement. We see like the from where the bull run started or the dump started. It started from here, so we just draw a line how it is, and see this has already come down, so it won't come down more. It will only come up. So this is the good indicator. You can take entry here. This is a good place to take entry because price from here will only go up. This is a common sense which you have to use. You just first you take idea of 1 minute chart, then you open 15-minute chart, then you just string the chart and see from where exactly the bull run has started or from where the fall has started. Suppose I'm in this range. Okay, I'll just open this 15-minute chart. I'll see it has grown too much. Now it's time to fall so that it can go up further. So then we enter short from here. It's guys, this is a very what I can say. The more you do this, more you see the charts, the more experienced you become. You won't become experienced like this overnight. Just keep on practicing. See the 1 minute chart and 15-minute chart, and eventually you will be experienced enough to do this on your own. Now we have taken an entry. Now how to know then how to set a target? Like Bitcoin, that is the first thing. Like all follow the process of a Bitcoin. Even for the exit, it follows the Bitcoin. So setting up targets is very essential, and a good trader always books his profit on time. For this, we need to look again at BTC and open 4-hour charts to see how high or low a coin has went in the past. The same level of BTC. Suppose currently BTC Bitcoin is trading at 30,500. So in order to understand how high or bottom a coin can get, we need to compare that coin with Bitcoin and its USDT pair on 4-hour chart. So what happens, like, this is what I have kept side by side. You can see, and the timing and the, this also is same. Time band is also same. The price of ADA, like Cardano on this particular date, and price of Bitcoin on this date. You can see the movement is like this, will be like the same movement. The movement of on this 7th July is like this. The 7th July is like this. It goes up, it goes out, comes down, it comes down. So it's like this. So suppose you're taking you have already taken entry here, okay, and you want to exit. So and currently Bitcoin value is like 38,000. You have seen the RSI, people are selling out. So you come a little bit in the history, like what was the price of Bitcoin when price of ADA, when Bitcoin was at this level. Okay, so you just, sorry for the line, it's just like this, and you just do like this. So you will notice that, okay, ADA is still undervalued, it can still go up here. So my target will be here instead of here. So I'll just wait until my target reaches here, and I will exit from this point. I hope you understood. This is simple thing. Just follow the Bitcoin and everything will be okay. It's not rocket science, it's not child's play. Uh, you don't need to be an economist or a Bitcoin expert or a trading expert, or you have to be an PhD or MBA in this stuffs. Just follow the charts, read the lines, or see a couple of videos. Rest is very easy, very simple. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comments below. Please subscribe this channel. It will motivate me to make more such educational videos in the future. If possible, try joining my Telegram group, Crypto Phoenix. I share a lot of fundamentals like this. There a lot of trading ideas I give. Even I give some signals from time to time, which are 100% confirmed signals. Um, Thank you for watching. I hope you had a knowledgeable session right now. Knowledgeable 23 minutes. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.